sink, stove, sieve, ladle, grater, spoon, cleaver, microwave, cutting board, cup, funnel, deep fryer, oven gloves, knife set, scissors, apron, blender, bottle opener, fork, butter knife, rolling pin, rolling board, spatula, jug, jar, knife, colander, bowl, cutlery, kettle, whisk, dish rack, peeler, chopsticks, lemon squeezer, lighter, pen, pizza cutter, pepper mill, electric kettle, sponge, glass, toaster, rice cooker, refrigerator, garbage can, plate, broom, measuring spoon, tongs, measuring cup, mortar and pestle, teapot, oven, tray, bottle, cake cutter, cake slicer, juicer, mixer, egg slicer, garlic press, kitchen pepper, kitchen towel, matchbox, perforated spoon, dishwasher, wooden spoon, cup and saucer, water dish, kitchen table, saucepan, baking tray, salt and pepper shakers, spice containers, casserole dish, ice cream scoop, waffle maker, sandwich maker, splatter screen, tea infuser, flour sifter, skimmer, slotted spoon, soup ladle, ladle rest, fish spatula, cookware, herb scissors, handheld grater, lemon zester, bread knife, vegetable slicer, pastry blender, tomato slicer, onion chopper, salad spinner, lemon reamer, dough cutter, oil dispenser, milk frother, soup spoon, nut cracker, basting brush, corkscrew, ice cube tray, pasta maker, coffee maker, cooling rake, aluminum foil, parchment paper, juice extractor, water filter, fruit basket, citrus juicer, food processor, meat grinder, silicone mat, muffin tin, roasting rake, meat tenderizer, cake stand, oven thermometer, gravy bowl, egg poacher, tiffin box, ice cream maker, sushi maker, thermos flask, steamer basket, chocolate fondue pot, pie dish, taco holder.